Alright, let's do a nighttime check on the girls here. Coming to check on things. Well, hi girls. My happy little flock. I got my little Sophie. I got Sassy. I got Lucky. Antonio. Mia. Ooh, okay. I don't know what that was about, Missy. Missy. Maya. And that one down there. These two brown ones don't really have a name yet. And then you got the two twins, Mia and Maya. And we got some babies in here. Say hi, babies. I got 9 little munchkins in here. Look at them. They're so cute. Getting so big. Yes, they are. Hi, Sophie. Now I gotta check for eggs. Ooh, look, we got 2 eggs here. Sophie, did I get an egg today from you, Mama? Let's check this little Sophie's bed. I need to fix it. No? No Sophie egg? No? Alright. No egg today, baby? Okay. She's very vocal. Hi, Shashi. Hi, Miss Ma'am. Hello. My girls are very sweet. Except for this one. She kind of... Hey! You stop it. You're a mean little... mean. Yeah, you so mean. Yeah, you are. Yeah, she's not very friendly. Antonio, he's a good little guy. Lucky, he's a good little guy. She's a good little girl. Mia over here is a good little girl. And that one's a good little girl. And Sophie, she's not too friendly. She's friendly, but you gotta try to pet her. And she runs away. Yeah, I know. Alright, well, that's all for tonight, guys. Have a good night.